GDP, which is the gross domestic product, is the market value of all final goods and services which are produced within the borders of the country, regardless of who is producing these goods and services. So here, the focus is where the production is happening and not on who is producing these goods and services, which means that any goods and services which are produced by foreigners working in your country are a part of the GDP because the production is happening within the borders of your country. But any goods and services which are produced by your nationals working abroad are not included as part of your GDP because the production is not happening within the borders of your country. So as in GDP, domestic implies the focus is where is the production happening? It should be happening within the physical borders of your country. Now, moving on to GNP. GNP is the market value of all final goods and services produced by the nationals of the country, regardless of wherever they're producing these goods and services. So with GNP, the focus is who is producing these goods and services and not where production is happening. This means that those goods and services which are produced by foreigners working in your country are not included in the GNP because they're not made by your country's nationals. But goods and services which are produced by your nationals working abroad are a part of the GNP. So the key thing to remember here is with GDP, the focus is where is the production happening? It should be happening within the physical borders of the country. It doesn't matter who's producing these goods and services within the country. With GNP, the focus is who is doing the production. It should be done by the nationals of your country. It doesn't matter where this production is happening in the case of GNP. Now, they both serve different purposes, where with GDP, the purpose is to assess the domestic economic activity and growth over a period of time. But with GNP, the focus is to assess the wealth of the citizens of country, where we want to see how well they're doing in terms of their income. So this is the difference between GDP and